Welcome back, everybody. This video we're going to be turning some word problems into math expressions and just not really solving the problems, we're just setting it up so we can turn numbers into numbers and words into math expressions. So here, let's look at this first example here. Jean wrote two correct variable expressions to represent the phrase the quotient of a number in 3. What is the expression she could have used? Okay, so there's two of them. Quotient of a number, the word quotient meaning division. Okay, so she could have wrote n divided by 3, and we're just using n for an unknown number, some number we don't know the variable n. She could have also written it as a fraction, n over 3. So whenever you're talking about quotients, it's whatever number is listed first. We see the phrase a number, that's first, so we know we do that first. We're taking that number divided by 3. Let's look at another one here. What is the expression for twice the sum of a number and 3? Twice the sum of a number and 3. So twice meaning 2, and then the sum of a number and 3. So in parentheses, we're going to put some number and 3, the sum of some number, n plus 3. Notice it's in parentheses because it's twice all of it. It's twice this entire quantity, n and a 3. That's why we put it in parentheses. Let's look at this one here. We'll draw a picture to help us visualize this. Rectangular picture frame has a width of 9 and a length of x. Write an expression that represents the perimeter of the picture frame. So it might help to get a picture here, and we're just going to draw a simple rectangle here. It says it has a width of 9 and a length of x centimeters. Now since it's a rectangle, opposite sides are the same. So we have the x and the x and the 9 and the 9. So perimeter means add everything together. 9 plus x plus x. And then simplifying that down, 9 and 9 make 18. X plus x, there's 2 x's. Now another way to write this, 2x plus 18. Order really doesn't matter. They generally write variables before number terms, but it really doesn't matter. Let's look at another one here. It says Samira ran 3 more miles than twice the number of miles that Ada ran. Write a statement that makes this comparison using the correct variable expression. Alright, so let's figure out a variable. Okay, m is the miles that Ada ran. Alright, if m is the miles that Ada ran, then Samira was 3 more miles than twice the number of miles that Ada ran. So if I do twice what Ada ran, that would be 2m. And then Samira not only did twice, but did 3 more than that. So we're just adding 3. So we could say it in a statement like this. Let me type it out. If Ada ran m miles, then Samira ran 2m plus 3 miles. That's the expression for what Samira ran. And that statement kind of sums it up nicely. Let's end up with a multiple choice here. It says, which equation represents this sentence? 3 less than the product of a 7 and a number is 4 more than the number. Okay, so we see the word is right here. Whenever you see the word is, just think equal sign. Is the verb, is the word for equals in math statements. So if I have equal signs, we put one part of the phrase on the left, one part on the right. Alright, on the right, no, I'll just take care of the right side. It says is 4 more than a number. Okay, so some number added to 4. Alright, but 3 less than the product of 7 and a number. The product of 7 and a number is 7 times n. That right there talks about the product of 7 and a number. But if I say 3 less than that, I take away 3. 7n minus 3 equals n plus 4, and that matches up with letter B. Alright, hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.